To fix a scratched CD, first squirt some toothpaste with baking soda in it onto the CD. Then use a cotton swab to work the toothpaste into any deep scratches. Next, wipe the toothpaste around the disc in a circular motion with a paper towel or a microfiber cloth. Rinse the toothpaste off with cool water. You can also use metal polish to remove CD scratches. Pour a small amount of metal polish into a clean microfiber cloth. Wipe around the disc in a circular motion to spread the metal polish around. Then, wipe the excess polish off with a clean, dry cloth. Another option is to use petroleum jelly. Just spread some petroleum jelly around the disc with your finger so it's completely covered to fill in any scratches. Then, wipe off the excess with a clean microfiber cloth. Lip balm, furniture wax, and shoe polish will also work for this.